In this video, we will learn to make your text bold, italic, underline in your web page. So for that, we will use coding to do that. So I have written this some HTML tag, head tag I have used, and title I have given formatting in HTML. Then the body tag comes for the sample I have written. This is sample text. Okay, with this we will compare our that bold, italic, and underline text. So after writing this sample text, I have provided the BR tag. That BR tag means line break. Okay, means the other text now will, whatever text I will write after that, it will appear in a new line. That is why we are using BR tag. Now we will do the coding for the bold, italic, and underline, and we will compare this bold, italic, and underline text with this sample text. Understand? So for bold, we will use this B tag. Okay, B tag is used for making the text bold. So we will write now we have to write the text inside it. So this is uh, this is bold text. What is this? This is bold text. Now we will close the bold text. Then we'll put the break. Okay, means BR tag will provide so that the new text will come in new line, that is of italic. Now for italic, we will use I tag. Then we will write here, this is italic tag text. Now we'll close it. So for closing, as you all know, we have to use the slash sign to close the tag. Then again we will put the BR tag to change the line. Then for underline, we will use U tag. And here we will write, this is underlined text. Full stop. Then we will close this underline tag. Then line break tag. Okay, so this is the coding for this bold text, italic text, and underlined text. That is BIU. Very simple it is. Bold, for bold it is B tag, for italic it is I tag, and for underline it is U tag. Okay, so we have done the coding of this. So we'll provide a full stop also here like this. No need of space. So this is our coding for bold, italic, and underline. Now we will see if that is working. So we will save it as, let me zoom it. So now we will save it. You have to give the file name and extension .html. Always remember the extension should be .html. So we'll suppose I'm giving bold.html, the file name. Now save as type is all files. I'm saving it on my desktop, so I will click save button. Now I will go to the desktop and I will see whether our web page is ready or not. So I will right click on my file, HTML file, then I will open it with Internet Explorer. Now as you can see here, this text was for the comparison. Now this is bold text, this is italic text, and this is underlined text. So this is how you can format in your web page. You can format the text in your web page. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underlined. So this is how you format in the HTML document, and this is how you can format the web page. So thank you.